What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Today is an exciting day, and I know this didn't really happen today, but we are seeing continued growth in the past month or so with JasmyCoin. More interest that's coming along for some reason about this position that some people would say is just going to zero. It's not going to be worth anything, that is worthless to them. I don't think that's the case. I've always been a big fan of JasmyCoin. As soon as they got listed on Coinbase, I was a fan of their popularity, the conversation, the things that they've done, the thing that they stood for, everything. The only thing that I didn't like was the fact that they had a lot of supply that was left out there. It did not make sense to me that you would kind of go live and put this out here with less than 1 billion coins in circulation when you have 50 billion in a max supply. But I understand sometimes you need to raise money, and sometimes when you want to list yourself on exchanges or hold yourself on exchanges, you can use some of that capital to grow a little bit more. And honestly, they did a great job with that. I said that I would like to invest into this play when full dilution is happening, right? When that happened, I will get on board. But until then, I can't see myself investing into it while it's at $1 or $2 or $3 or whatever. So when the time came where JasmyCoin did release all the supply and it was down to less than a penny, I was like, this is the opportunity to buy JasmyCoin for sure. 100%. Somebody alerted me with the fact that it is all of the supply is pretty much out there. 95%, 98% of the supply is out there. Go and make your move. And that's just what I did. I went and bought a good 200,000 to then buy 500,000 and then have 1 million JasmyCoin and see this thing flourish into what it could be. And I wish that I had enough time to even buy more, right? Because I started spreading it out as I saw other opportunities come up. I wanted to game with JasmyCoin, game with this, game with that, whatever. But JasmyCoin is sitting at a very, very good spot, and it's in a great place when it comes to the amount of attention and popularity it does have, because JasmyCoin officially hit 100,000 holders. And that may not sound like a lot. It may not sound like a lot to you at all. But one of the top cryptocurrencies in the world, XRP, has 540,000 holders. It has 5 times what JasmyCoin has. But JasmyCoin is considered a lot smaller, right? Not as much volume, definitely not as high of a market cap. And you have the opportunity to grow very, very fast. And we could see this happen out of nowhere. I want to talk to you about that 100,000 holder level, as well as where JasmyCoin is in this video. If you guys could hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys can check out my links down below, I have a link for BTCC. Please do so. If you use my link, you'll get a 10% deposit bonus. Extra bonuses up to $10,055, and you can enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees, all with no VPN and no KYC that's required. Honestly, it's a very good platform. I've been using it. I've been leverage trading, making money here and there. Would love to have put more focus into BTCC and that leverage trading side, especially on the downside, shorting the positions, as well as long on the positions when you see bullish momentum, bearish momentum, all that stuff there. But haven't had the time to really do that. So check it out. Link is in the description. BTCC. Don't sleep on them. But JasmyCoin and the price of where it is. The current price of JasmyCoin is at 0.004686, or as I like to say, 46 to 47% of a penny. Once it gets to 50% of a penny, you would see 0.005, and then 1 cent would obviously be 0.01. Now, the current market cap is at a $231 million market cap with $9 or $10 million worth of volume, up 17%. This brings the volume to market cap ratio of 4%, which is not at its highest, especially when we look at the overall market and we're not seeing a ton of volume that's flowing into crypto, but still seeing a good amount that's going into JasmyCoin here percentage-wise. The total supply is 50 billion, while the circulating supply is 49.44 billion, and the holders, as we said, is at 101,000 holders. That's fantastic, right? This is Japan's Bitcoin, right? This is something that can be worth a lot more and be way more usable, especially future set, right? We can see so much more use later on, partnerships, lockups and all that stuff that's there. The world knows that data is very important. And to be able to control your own data, if you told somebody you can 100% control your own data, that will be a huge selling point for them because my data is very important. I know that my data goes out there and I'm getting spam calls from everybody, especially if I go and apply for a mortgage for some reason. I get a mortgage, I close on a house, and all of a sudden I have 7 million people that want to call me and talk about refinancing my mortgage or going with them and I'm like, I already closed. Why are you calling me? And why are you asking me? But that's besides the point. The point is that the data is very, very important, and JasmyCoin can get a control of that. But more importantly, in this video, is not to focus on the use side of it. It's to focus on what we're seeing right in front of our faces here, which we don't generally do all the time. The 101,000 holders is very, very important. Getting to 100,000 is a level that many cryptocurrencies would love to get to, right? It shouldn't be slept on just because Shiba Inu coin has 3 million holders and Dogecoin has millions of holders and Bitcoin has millions of holders or whatever, and XRP has 500,000 holders. That's still a lot of holders. 100,000 holders. It's just like you having $100,000. When you start having $100,000 in an account, compounding becomes so much easier. So much easier that you can grow to 2 million or 200,000, 300,000, 500,000 very easily. Same thing goes for your first million. You get to $1 million, you can compound, and getting to 5 million is that much easier. The first million is the hardest one. The first 100,000 is even harder. So this is super important. This is huge to have happen before a true altcoin season happens. We've seen the level of impact that this can have. We've seen the hundreds of millions of dollars and billions of dollars that have gone through in volume for JasmyCoin in single days. So seeing the market cap potentially at 1 to 2 billion, $3 billion, it's phenomenal, right? The FOMO can be amazing. The growth can be extraordinary. And I am here for all of it. This is why I currently hold 3 million JasmyCoin, because while I did hold 1 million, this now gave me the opportunity to buy back in at a lower level and give myself a low cost basis still, rather than buying in at a penny or 2 cents or 3 cents or 6 cents like it got up to. Each 1 million that you have, which currently will be valued at $4,700, as it gets to 1 cent is worth $10,000. As it gets to 6 cents again, it's worth $60,000. So every million that you have, you're growing by so much more. And you see the opportunity, you see the path forward because of the things that have already done. The past dictates what the future will bring. And we already seen what was in the past, growth-wise, attention-wise, popularity-wise, volume-wise, and what that can translate to in your balance. So community sentiment's bullish. I'm bullish. Businesses are bullish. Countries are bullish. You have 243,000 watch lists that this is on, 252,000 followers, and 101,000 holders. That doesn't add up to where it seems like that can go and flip and be 252,000 holders or 300,000 holders in a matter of months because they're all watching it. This is going to be worth a lot more than people think, and I can't wait to see that growth, because there are some people out there that are just like, no, JasmyCoin's a joke. All right, we'll see what's a joke as we move forward. It's going to be your balance because you didn't invest in the Jasmy. But anyways, let me know what you guys think about this play, about the 100,000 holders. I think it's a huge deal. I think we need to look into this and continue to see that growth and see how fast it actually compounds from here when it comes to the amount of holders. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out my link for BTCC down below if you can. But I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.